Sung in Jigra as well, and you sang before
With
as
your
well.
favorite.
With my favorite, yes. So obviously, I mean, both my favorites are in the song, so obviously I love it. But I mean, what is this? Like, you're not going to pursue your, I mean, a singing career or something. I don't know. I don't know if your voice is that good. So. I mean, I don't know. I'm just asking कि क्या है ये?
That's it. Yeah, I'm going to tell this to somebody who tells me, please pursue your singing career. I'm like, no, but Kareena Kapoor Khan said my voice is not that good.
No, I'm just like, okay, what's happening?
No, not at all. Like
Yeah.
Vedang can sing.
Yeah, he has such a lovely
He has
voice.
an outstanding voice. He sung Phoolon Ka Taroka and Jigra.
So
He
well.
sung the title track of Jigra, and he plays, and तो वो actually album काट सकता है. I can sing in my bathroom. And then little bit with the help of like some individuals in the recording studio.
In the recording studio. So, but you're not going to like cut a single and...
No. Once upon a time in life, I had some plan, but that's it. Then it ended there only. They edit in the bathroom.
So anyway, of course, you bring your own experience not only to movies, but also, you know, when you're a couple, you and Ranbir. I want to know what you... This is very funny because your experience to finances. Because our next segment is the Max Life Insurance. She is the different segment. So मैं कुछ situations दूँगी that...
You're already laughing.
Yeah, I'm already laughing that because I think most of the answers will be Ranbir. But anyway, I'm going to give you the placards and you have to say he or she in what situation, like, you know, dealing with finances.
Okay.
So he or me. Who's better at planning finances? He. See, I'm telling you, this is just going to go up. Who's better at communication? Texts, WhatsApps? Directly communicating. You. So you're...
Yeah. He's very non-confrontational and like even if there's something to be communicated, it usually happens through me.
So everything is... Yeah. In that sense. Okay. Who's better at managing work and home?
Both.
Both are doing it well.
Both.
Okay. So yeah. He also, I'm sure about that.
You know, he's actually a cat. Like, so he's very like particular about his space. So I won't say Ranbir only works and also and doesn't care about the house and the way it's functioning or his space. He's very into it.
Very into it.
And so am I. I'm a little bit maybe more into it with like just being on top of most of the things, but he's also very into it. I would say both.
This, I think it's him. Who's better at suggesting which business to invest in? You. Okay, I got that wrong.
My investments are very good.
Okay, but these decisions you are taking or no?
I am taking. Like, I don't think he's taking as actively.
Okay. No, you are taking, like, you know, like you're reading the FT and, or, you know, like the Financial Times, ke kya ho raha hai,
No, I'm not reading the Financial Times and all. But, like, I'm saying, like, investing in startups and stuff like that.
Okay, you are more active in that.
I'm more active in that. Something that I've maybe, it's naturally been brought to me, so I've taken more keen interest in it, whether it's with Pool or, you know, earlier with other brands and stuff like that, Super Bottoms. Like, these are all things where these investments have come to me and I love the story and I've invested in. I don't think Ranbir has gotten into
that side of
it.
He's
Yet.
a little
like,
old school.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah, he's a little old school, I can figure that. Who's better at the social media game? I feel Ranbir is excellent at it, but he's just like khufia on it. So then you, yeah.
Which social media game? Posting or stalking?
Yeah, that's what. Posting is you, stalking is him. So then we're sorted. And who's better at walking the ramp? You, na? I don't think he's interested. Like he looks like disinterested.
I mean, maybe I've walked more ramps, so maybe me.
Yeah, so you.
Yeah.
Okay, clearly. So then I think when it comes to family, I think both of them are really good at it. So you can, not bad.
Not bad.